India? Tiger. What is the national bird of India? Peacock. What is the national tree of India? Banyan tree. What is the national animal of India?
Jana Gana Mana. What is the national emblem of India?
Lion capital. What is the meaning of Satyameva Jayate? Alone triumph. What is the tiger stand for? Strength and power. Who wrote Jana Gana Mana? Rabindranath Tagore. Say any two dance of India. Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi. Who are the Bharatanatyam dancers? Padma Subramaniam, Rukmani Devi. What instruments are used for Hindustani music? Tabla, sitar, harmonium. Thank you. Love you all.